Hi everyone, my name is Danny. I make all types of YouTube videos. Today is going to be a little different. It's kind of like a food video, and hopefully it'll just be very quick. And so the backstory on this is everyone's heard of tuna sandwiches or tuna salad sandwiches or tuna subs, that type of thing. And I think a lot of people would sort of agree that although they're good, a lot of people find that tuna sandwiches can kind of have that dry sort of taste or that tasteless or that flavorless sort of taste. And so I've always used sort of a trick that I wanted to share with you guys. And actually, I learned this when I was working at Subway. So Subway, the big franchise, the sandwich artists to make the you know all types of subs and or if you want to call them sandwiches or whatever. So when I first started working there, um, and I got on my first shifts, it was a regular customer, and he would always ask my colleague um, that was doing a sandwich, and he would say tuna sub. He would always ask for the tuna sub, but then he would say something like with the regular oil, right? So like back when I worked at Subway, which was a long time ago, you know how they have all those containers with the mustard and um, whether it's like the different like sauces or salad dressings or whatever, those tube like things. So one of those tubes included, it was just all oil in it. It was just all oil in it. I don't know if they still have that anymore. I don't think so because I haven't seen it lately. But it's just basically like oil. I think it was probably just kind of like cooking oil. It could have been olive oil. Probably back then, I don't think it was olive oil. That would have been too fancy for them. Probably just normal cooking oil. And and then the Subway colleague just basically just opened up the tuna sub and spread just a little bit of oil right throughout the sub. And I tried it myself, and I loved it. So I just wanted to just share that with you. So here I have a tuna sandwich. So this one here, actually, I bought it at the local store. It says tuna on the white, so it's a tuna sandwich, tuna salad sandwich. And so it's very simple, right? All you do is take your tuna sandwich here. You can just open it up like this. And I just used this is just regular normal cooking oil, regular normal cooking oil. And I tried it before with just cooking oil, and it works perfect. I think that if you want to use probably something like olive oil, olive oil would probably be a little better, but cooking oil is fine too. And what I do is, just like with Subway, just put a little bit on my teaspoon. And you can put as much as you want, but there's got to be a balance between too much and not enough, right? So depends how much you're comfortable with. And then if you want, you can put some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper's up to you. I like to do it. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and voila. And now I will taste it. Mmm. 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 So much better this way. So much more flavor, and it counters the dryness of it. Mmm. Makes it have like a more juicier sort of taste to it. So that's about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are interested in that, because yeah, tuna sandwiches, tuna subs. A lot of people sort of struggle with that because of the they find, like I said, it's too tasteless. So that's it. If you'd like me to post more of these YouTube videos, make sure that you subscribe, because it's important that you hit that subscribe button, hit on all notifications, because the way I look at it is I look at my subscriber count, and if I see my subscriber count go up in a consistent manner, that's sort of an indicator to tell me that I should keep making more videos. So thanks a lot for watching. Peace out.